Welcome po sa Pinoy Zero Hours! May nagsabi po sa akin, nagsalita daw ako. I'm going to talk. Let's hear this first.
The man known as Dr. Thrax orchestrates his last stand against America. The recent capture of a GLA oil field has cut off the pipeline funding Dr. Thrax and his weapons research. Now, with his enemies closing in, the chemical-wielding warlord threatens to unleash missiles loaded with gamma toxin, among the most deadly nerve agents ever developed. Hoping to avoid an incident even more catastrophic than the Baikonur disaster, the American response is its signature shock and awe campaign. Eliminating Dr. Thrax would surely decimate the GLA's offensive capabilities. Further transmission may be difficult. This is James Seabury reporting from the field.
Alright, I'm super excited for this game. USA Campaign 5 na tayo mga kapatid. Ito po si Michael B. Tingnan natin po.
SATCOM A4 has confirmation on base location. Visuals are uploading now. Field, please verify status of toxin production facilities. Toxin production facilities confirmed, sir. We have a go upon presentation of final clearance code. Clearance code is Sierra, Hotel, Oscar, Charlie. Eagle and Alpha with Echo. The birds are in the air.
We've tracked Dr. Thrax to this remote location.
Nice! So,
He's
ang
in
unang
possession
gagawin
of
ko,
chemical-tipped missiles
itong
and
isa,
has them
punta
prepped
natin
for
dito.
launch.
Yan.
Destroying his toxin storage
Tapos, ang gawin
will slow
natin
him down,
dito,
but we must move in and
power.
secure those missiles before they can be
Tapos ang
launched.
barrels.
General,
So, habang
due to the
nag-aano to,
civilian
patayin
presence
natin
of
tong
the
barrel, ha?
you will need to use
Para wala
ground
tayong
forces to
lagyan natin yung mga
assault
tao
the
dito.
base to capture the 4 toxin missile sites
Yan,
in the
dito
area.
rin.
Our successful liberation
Should
of
be
oil
fun.
sites in
Alright.
Alaska has
So,
provided
si
us with additional
ready natin
resources
dito
for
yan.
this operation.
Lagyan natin number 1
Dr.
yan.
Thrax must be defeated so we
So,
can
ito, ready na to dito. Tutulong yan. Papuntahin natin dito lahat yan. Yan, i-ready mo lang yan dito. Except this one. So, kunin natin mga laborers dito, mga worker, mga kapatid. By the way, ginagawa ko tong para sa atin, mga kababayan yung mahirap dyan. Tulungan natin mga Pilipino. Siguro. Marami kayong subscribe sa akin and millions of views. Magtutulungan po tayo. Balik tayo doon. Kunin natin to isa. Kahit dalawa lang. Tapos punta natin doon. Tapos sama na. Yan. Okay na to dito. Support natin dito isa. Yan. Lagyan natin isa dito. Yan. Kalimutan natin pala doon.
General, your main
So,
objective
pasok
is to
natin
capture
dito.
the 4 toxin missile sites targeted
Yan.
at U.S. major metropolitan
Kunin
areas
natin dito
before
yan.
they
Lagyan natin
launch.
dito.
Don't push me.
Humvee here.
Yun. Kunin natin isa.
Oh, be careful
Tayo
now.
natin.
We live in peace.
We cannot live in peace daw. Diyan muna. Isa. Yung na naman
We take what
dalawa.
we need. We gotta going.
Ilagay natin dito para mamaya. Ready na yan.
Oh,
Yan.
okay, I will work.
Isa lang pala dito. Okay na. Pasok natin na to. Balik natin isa dito. Tapos, tayo natin yan. Pwede natin dalawa. Para isang castle na agad.
I will try to hurry.
Para makakaroon tayo ng gawa tayo ng tunnel dito.
Come on in. Looks like a good
Ito
run.
rin, gawa tayo ng supply.
That's it. Joyride.
Yan.
What do you want me?
Yan. What do you want from me? This one, I like you. Yan, pasok natin ulit dito. For the meantime, wala naman tumukuha dito eh.
I will work.
Yan. Punta natin doon sa kabila.
Cannot we live in peace?
Ilagyan natin dito. So ito, okay na to dito. Tatlo, tapos ito, dalhin natin dito. Lagyan natin dito muna.
It is good.
Pasok muna natin yan. Yan, kuhat kanan
Okay,
daw.
I will work.
Tapos, kalimutan mo na itong doser to dito. Tagal pa na. Tapos, lagyan natin airport. Yan, ipasok na natin dito. Tago muna kayo.
Yes.
Yan, puntahan natin dito. Isa.
I will try to hurry.
Buti nung worker.
Humvee here. Looks like a good run.
Yan. Okay na to. Tapos, ilabas mo muna
I
to.
will do my best.
Pasok muna. Yan.
Four on the floor.
Our base is under
Yan.
attack.
Aba, under attack daw eh. Kailangan ito ng quad cannon. Yun.
I sense danger may be near.
Yun.
What do you want me to do?
Tapos okay na to dito. Lagay nyo pa isa kung gusto nyo. Yan, okay na siya dyan. Support lang dito kung gusto nyo. Ayaw patayin. Huwag mo muna patay. Balitan muna dito. Balitan muna. Yan. Tapos lawas ulit. O, edi maganda. Para revive ulit yan. Yan ang technique nandyan.
The tunnels will
Yeah.
protect us. I sense danger
Okay,
may be near.
gawin natin ng airfield. Yan. Next while lang. Ganda lang. Enjoy your play, mga kababayan. Ito naman dito. Lagyan natin dito muna. Saka na tayo mga
Hard work.
hard work daw dito. Yan, pasok nyo to. Pakuha na natin isa si Jarman. At pa ito? Si Jarman kaya. Yan. Pwede nyo nalagay ng ano dito. Market. Damihan nyo. Yan. Ilabas nyo muna ang isang worker dito. Yan. Lagyan nyo ng isang supply dito. Dalawa dito
Congratulations,
kasi
John.
karoon ng gera dito. Ilabas nyo dito si... Huwag mo na ilabas to.
Upgrade complete.
Yan. Pwede nyo ito ilagwas din. Itong apat.
Must be pretty safe in there.
I'm just a peasant.
Ilagyan natin ng supply dito. Kunin natin ito dito sa kabila.
Oh, okay,
Pasok na natin
I
yung
will
worker.
work.
Ayaw na yan siya. 1, 2, 3.
Cannot
4, 5.
believe
Useless
I
sa
will work.
anim lang.
Finished with the building. I will work.
Yan. Support. Support pala dito pala. Kalimutan ko. Yan. Yan. Lapit na yan dyan. Okay. So, dito natin ilagay.
We gotta go. Get out, quick!
So, mas natin dito. Pasok mo dito. Kapatid.
Load it! Scorpion.
Hindi ka na kailangan dyan.
I am
No one escapes.
Mga to. Yan, yan natin to. Yan. Basta meron nakikita yung pula
Unit
dyan.
lost.
Yan nyo agad. Tapos laban nyo naman to.
I'll get there.
Yan. Tatatatatatatata yan. Yan. Pasok nyo ulit. Ma-enjoy lang. Tapos balik nyo ulit. Yan.
What do you
kulang
want?
na. Yan. Kunin nyo na what you want from me. Yan. Pumasok na siya.
Do not hurt me.
Pasok nyo dito muna.
I will try to hide.
Guarding the GLA
Yan,
underground.
tanggalin natin isang ano dito. German, tanggalin natin isang yan. Tapos pasok natin dito. I-upgrade natin ang tawag yung Alimutan ko pangalan to ah. It's been a while, my friend.
General,
Yes,
your main
mga
objective is to
protection
capture
dyan.
the 4 toxin missile
Pwede nyo
silos
na gawa
targeted
ng
on U.S. major
ano,
metropolitan
kung gusto
areas
nyo lagyan
before they
ng
launch.
yan, ganda yan. Scud. Yan, lagyan ng market
I
para
will
maraming
try to
pera.
hide.
New construction.
Unit lost.
Lagyan nyo ulit mang ano, para prepare natin ng tama kung ano, Aurora.
What's the story?
Upgrade complete.
I-upgrade natin yan. So, ready na yan, oh.
Do not hurt me. This is not
Dito pasok muna. Yun.
I will do my best.
Kaya-kaya yan. Diyan, no problema. Mamaya, ilabas natin mga to. Yan. Mga tao pala.
Ayan, the enemy may be near.
Yan. Balik natin yan. Tapos, kunin natin yung bus. Yan, ginalaro ko. Yan. Yan. Yan naman
Congratulations,
dito
General.
ulit. Yan natin. Yes. Tingnan yan. Yun. Yan na lang yan. Support lang. Aba, hirap pala dumaan dito. Dapat dito siya dumadaan. Ito ko dumaan, oo. May butas doon, oh.
finished with the building.
Oh, galing, meron ka na.
And I have some
Hungry
shoes.
na daw. Can I have some shoes? So, bigyan natin ng shoes. So, ito, upgrade natin sa kanila shoes. Yan. Madaling mission lang to, pero enjoy nyo muna. Yan.
What do you want with me? I will carry it back to
Yun yung lagay nyo dito, kasi protection naman, protected naman dito eh. So, mga kapatid, sino naglaro dyan? Nagre-relate siya, naglaro ng ganito. Hop, unit loss na doon. Pasok mo na yan. Yan, pasok mo ulit, labas ka ulit.
Four on the floor. I'll get you. Yes, yes.
Yan.
Yes. I'm just a peasant.
Now, tayo ano ah. Okay, pasok. Labor natin dalawa. Patabaw natin yan.
That's a lot of supplies.
Oo,
Do
gusto
not
mo.
hurt me.
Lagyan natin dito yan para makita natin kung mayroon bang walang problema, nandiyan si Jermaine. So another scat din kung gusto nyo para matapos na. Pero have fun muna.
More hungry.
Just in case ito kung may sneak attack.
Our work.
Have a job for me. What's the story?
Yan, ito gawin natin.
Unit
So
lost.
si
Bring on the scaffolding.
ano tawag to? Si strategy. Yeah, strategy center.
Yeah.
Lagyan natin ulit
Made in
dito.
the US of A.
Made in the US, made.
What do you
Yeah.
want?
More money. Pasok mo na.
Cannot we live in peace? I do what I want.
Actually, ganun na yung skill. Wala ka dyan.
Enough room for that.
Para makaroon kayo ng masayang ginagawa niyo mga kapatid.
I will do my best.
Yan.
Scorpion
Steady
tank.
natin yan. So, ang ginagawa ko, nanumber ko na to. Yan. Tapos, dagdag nyo pa dito kung gusto nyo. Ay, meron na pala dalawa. Na kailangan.
Our work. Do not work.
Yan. Pwede nyo lagyan ng scat din dito kung gusto nyo.
Are
Di
there
ba?
not better tools?
They're not better tools daw.
I'm just a peasant. Yes.
Ang shortcut nun naman, yung nakikita nyo to, idle worker
I'm
yan.
just a peasant.
Yan, nakikita nyo mga walang ginagawa.
Yes.
Yan. Pwede nyo kunin
You
yan.
change your mind
Yan.
often.
Oop, pwede nyo rin ito na kunin yung oil. Nakalimutan natin yung oil. Siyempre, laruin natin yung yan, si Colonel Burton. Yan, si Colonel Burton. Colonel Burton.
What's the mission,
Infantry
sir?
won't work well here, General.
Yan
Our
natin
enemy
to.
is using toxins in almost
Yan,
every weapon they
toxin.
throw
So,
at
ito,
us.
agent ng toxin to, ano yung mga tao rin. Yan.
What's the mission, sir?
Yan, nakita nyo, yun, meron na, malabas. Oh,
Unit lost.
pwede natin yan
I
labas
will
yan
do
kahit
my best.
ano.
Very well.
Yan,
Our will is
yan, ready na yan.
A lot of work.
Yan, kuha tayo quad cannon. Yan,
Get
What
on
do
my
you
bad
want?
side.
okay na yan.
Here I go.
Yan, ready na yan, oh. Yan, ready na yan sila.
clan is strong.
Walang problema dyan kasi nandyan si German eh.
no supply line.
Do not hurt.
Lagyan ng pera lang
Are there
yan
not
ulit
better
yan.
tools? Our work is complete.
Yan,
Special
yung
forces
pasok
Unit
dito.
lost.
Si Burton, kung gusto nyo, unahin natin yan. Kung may ano na dito, yun na. Yan ang gusto ko. Ito airdrop para mabilis. Yan. Ready na siya. So kung gusto nyo si Burton dito, mauna na siya. Magagera mag-isa.
Unit
Ako
lost.
bahala. Unit lost. Yun. Labas natin tank ito para
No lack of courage.
may ginagawa ka naman. Yun o.
General, your main objective is to capture the 4 toxin missile sites targeted at U.S. major metropolitan areas
Yan,
before they
kukuha yung
launch.
ano nila.
Don't
Meron
push
ka
me.
oh. Don't push me daw.
I'll get
Pichi,
there.
o yan. Tapos i-repair nyo lang yan. O, pwede nyo abante dito, wag na. O, i-anin natin ito.
What?
Ipasok natin dito para may ginagawa ka naman.
Ready
Yan
for
to
action.
dito.
A new camp suit taking charge.
Action. Yan, isa.
Special forces
Pa
here.
dito.
Let's change the decor.
Ito yung oil. Yan isa. Pwede natin benta ito kung gusto nyo. Kung marami ng
I
pera.
will obey.
Kuha tayo ng isa.
Always
I will obey
prepared.
daw.
Meet
Always
your new
prepared.
owner.
What do you want?
Pwede nyo lagyan ng SCAD dito
I will
dito.
do what I must.
Problema yan.
I will obey.
I will obey.
You
Dito
change
SCAD.
your mind
Lagyan
often.
naman dito. Yan. Kuha tayo ng sniper
Warning,
para punta.
Scud Storm detected.
Yun, may SCAD storm sila. O ito, tingnan SCAD storm, no? SCAD storm nila. So, kung meron ako, kayang-kaya natin buhatin yan.
General, our base is under attack.
Scud Storm ready.
Yes.
Ready na yung SCAD storm natin.
Unit
More
lost.
money.
The best I can.
Yeah, more money. More honey.
Laying the
Yan.
foundation.
I am
Pwede nyo na, huwag nyo na honey. Lagyan natin ito. Mas magkanto.
Good area.
Yan. Good area. Di ba?
Capture
Yan
complete. Be
dito.
careful now.
Unit lost.
Wanna make some improvements?
Yan. I-upgrade natin yan. Oh, di ba? Yan, idol. Yan mo naman.
Okay, I will work.
Camouflage yan para walang makita. Oh, meron.
Don't push me. Don't push me.
Patry natin yan. Don't worry. Oh, madali lang yan. Oh.
Don't push me. I do not
Dali
have
lang yan.
patience for this. I do not have patience for this.
Di, tago ka muna. Ito yung gawin natin dalawa.
Do not
Ito ka
hurt
muna.
me.
Oh. Do not hurt me daw.
Upgrade complete.
Yan. Upgrade na. Oh, yan.
Be your spot.
Eh, kunin natin marami para have fun tayo. Gusto nyo to, upgrade natin yung bunker nila.
What do you want?
Bunker rocket. Ano to? Flashbang grenade. Yan. Kunin nyo na yung upgrade nyo to. Pwede nyo upgrade lahat yan for fun. So tingnan nyo lang yung start store natin ha. Monitor nito, 325. Yan.
Warning, sneak attack detected.
Oh, may
Unit lost.
sneak attack.
Good
Oh, dito lang sneak
Our base
attack
is being
mismo.
attacked, sir. They built a
Oh,
tunnel
wala tayo,
network
oh.
inside our base without us knowing it.
Wala tayong ano dyan. Tingnan natin, labas natin to. Yan, dala niyan. O, benta nyo na lang. Kaya mo niya siya, patay. Dito naman to eh. O, yan o. Oh. Ay, hindi ko binenta. Binenta ko na kanina. Ay, binenta ko na pala. O, di patay sila lahat. O,
Unit lost.
diba? You're the just one daw. Ayaw niya eh. Ayaw niya sa akin. Ayaw niya dito.
Sniper here.
Yan.
Wanna make
Ulit
some
natin yan. Lagyan ulit natin. O, kapag nandito na yan siya, at least meron na tayo dito.
attacked.
Unit lost.
Uy, may pumapatok dito ah. Maybe kunin natin yung si sniper dito isa.
everything.
I see everything. Ikaw na doon. Ikaw na dyan.
Do not
Yeah.
hurt me.
That hurt me
I
daw.
will do the best I can.
Okay, pasok naman natin dito. Kung gusto nyo ma-health fun tayo, yan. Yan, I know what you're now. Doon natin dito tatlo.
see everything. I'll scout
Ipasok naman natin dito yan. Yan, okay. Si Ernie Birdo mag-isa lang magkilalaro dyan, oh.
Oh, okay,
Diba?
okay. I
Oh.
will
Okay.
work.
Pindot nyo yung 1, 2, 3. Kuha tayo naman what cannon. Oh, to, malapit na to. Pero mauna natin yung SCAD.
I'll be your sponsor.
Okay na siyang building dito. Aba.
Unit lost. Congratulations, General.
Oh,
You've
isa
been
pa dito.
promoted.
Pwede natin protecting yung oil natin yan.
Do not hurt me.
Lagyan natin yung dito. Oh, di ba? Wow. Oh, yan.
Scud storm ready.
Oh, custom ready na. Dito ka muna. Yan, dito ka muna. Dito ka muna. Oh, ikaw na dyan. Bahala. Turn over doon.
I'll be there.
Huwag mo gamitin yan. Dito muna.
Sniper here.
So kung gusto nyo na, tirahin nyo na yung scout store nyo dito. So, anong custom ready? Lagyan natin number 4. Ito. Number 5.
General, your main objective is to capture the 4 toxin missile
Six.
silos
Number
targeted
six.
on U.S. major
Tingnan natin.
metropolitan areas
4
before
ready
they
na.
launch.
Patayin natin to. 5 rin ready na. Pwede natin to.
Our
Mamaya.
current burden has been
O sige,
detected.
tingnan o. Kung ginagawa kong Turner doon. Saka na lang dyan. Yan. Tingnan natin. Suot ka dyan o. Kaboom! Diba wow? Diba wow? Easy lang. Ito na, ready na. Ayaw nyo lang, kung gusto nyo lang upgrade ng buggy, yan, gamitin ito. Upgrade na lahat, di ba? Upgrade
Unit
lang
lost.
natin ito. Ito sa market ng mga GLA, na-upgrade lang ito. Yan, buggy ammo. Okay? Kung ang technique yan, kung mas maraming pera tayo, mas maganda. So, pasok natin dito. Pasok natin sa kabila. Isa natin just in case. May kalaban o. Ano kukuha dyan?
Unit
Wala nang
lost.
kukuha dyan. Yan. Diba? Kung gusto nyo lagyan pa ng tao. Protection lang to, hindi man ako nag-a-attack. Eh. Kung gusto nyo mag-attack ako, itong
Needs an attitude.
yan. Yan, pasok natin dito.
Intel says that the missile sites we are looking for are in this
Pasok
region.
natin dito.
Use
Tingnan.
caution and make
Pasok
sure
natin
those
dito.
toxins aren't
They're
released.
attacking our base.
Unahin natin si Baggy. Maganda to. Aba. Aba, may napatay ako dito ah.
Unit lost.
Ang problema yan.
Get on my backside.
Don't get to my backside ah. Eh, pasok sila pa dalawa.
Four on the floor. Don't push me.
Yan pala kayo. Na, maraming rockets na.
Scud storm ready.
Oh, bakit ka nakatak?
Unit lost.
Dito kailangan. Rocket barrage. Yung rocket barrage yan. Pinatay niya yung ano ko. Yung coil mismo. So don't worry, marami tayong yan, i-save niyo yung army niyo. Oh, reinforce nyo na. Reinforcement. Oh, drop nyo ng reinforcement dito. Diba? Ang ganda. Oh. Yan natin dito. Oh, scan na. Pasok natin dito. Ayan. Reinforcement,
Unit lost.
Oh. Apa? Harvest natin lahat, oh. Harvest mo na. Harvest mo na. See what you got daw. Bunker. Yan. Diba? 1 and 2. Kung gusto nyo marami pa. Huwag yan. Ayaw niya.
Colonel Burton here.
Ito na si Colonel Belden. O, patayin natin
Always
yan.
prepared.
Yan. Kung gusto nyo mamatay ito, lahat ito, Q lang, yung Q.
Yes.
Yan. Pag pinutang Q isang beses, right click lang ito. Lahat yan titirahin nila.
Start the
So,
machinery.
save natin to ha. Huwag nyo di-destroy nito. Yan. So, ang gawin natin, kunin natin to. Yan, i-capture natin yan. So, kailangan natin ng sniper.
I'll be your spotter.
Meron pa dito kung scan natin dito. Yon, nakikita nyo to.
Particle cannon ready.
Yan. Sniper lang kailangan yan.
I'll scout ahead.
Yan. Yon, wala na. Tapos to, dali natin doon.
I am going.
Habang nakikreate kayo ng army, kahit sa base kayo, kinikreate nyo to 1 and 2. Ginawa ko to 1 and 2. Ibig sabihin dito,
Unit lost.
1, 2, and 1. Diba? Pasok nyo lang.
On my bad side.
Ganyan lang paglaro mga kapatid. Tapos i-capture nyo to. Flag.
Let's
Yan.
change the decor. Always
Gusto nyo dalawa
prepared.
ba o tatlo?
Meet your new
Yun.
owner.
So wala na kayo. So dalawa na lang. So meron pala ito kulang dito sa kabila.
Kick up some dirt.
Okay? Gusto nyo makita yung satellite. Ano kayo ng satellite dito? Sa radar band.
Our base is being attacked.
Based under
Unit
attack daw.
lost.
Yan. Kinat. Oh.
Squad car.
Alam. Oh, ito mayroon. Squad daw. Oh. Kailangan natin ng ano. Oh. Pwede natin ito. Squad.
Good job, silo. The second missile silo has been
Yeah.
decommissioned to go. En route.
We take what we need.
Yan. Pwede nyo rin ang i-upgrade yung Aurora nyo na. O Aurora nyo o helicopter para mabilis. Lahat yan i-upgrade. Diba?
Let's build.
But kompleto na lahat na pala. O ready tayo pupunta. O gusto nyo gawa ng War Factory din dito. Yan.
Unit
Masok
lost.
dito. Yan. Unit lost na daw. O nawala na. Eh, send nyo lang yan. Wala na problema. O pasok nyo dito.
Our base is under attack.
Wala na problema yan. Lawin natin to. Yan, laro natin yan.
Scud storm ready.
Yan, o di, maganda. Sorry na. I love Buggy, yan ha. Rocky Buggy. Yan, ganda yan sila.
Leave them in the dust.
Yan, pag lahat sila yan. Yun, okay na to dito. O, pag Q nyo lang ito, Q, alis na kayo dito. Ito, sayang to.
Come along with
Yan.
us.
Tanggalin natin yan.
What?
Punta tayo
Unit
dito.
lost.
Yan.
Don't push me.
Unahin natin dito si mga sniper. Oh, alis kayo, alis. Oh, meron pala mo po.
On the gas.
Step on the gas
Always
daw.
prepared.
Yan. Tapos kunin natin yung ano, sniper. Kailangan na sniper yan.
Ready.
Yan. Dito tayo sniper. Pwede
Aurora
na yung
in flight.
pag W naman, Aurora na. Halimbawa ito na.
Stabilizers
Kick up some
engaged.
dirt.
Oh, di ba? Kukunin nyo itong mga tao.
Special
Isang
forces
ganda
destroyed.
I will make my own
Yan,
plan.
nyo na ito doon.
I wait for
Tatakbo
you.
sila doon. Yan, I wait for you there.
Let's kick up some dirt.
I-ready nyo lang yung Aurora nyo dito. Kung ready nyo doon, yan Aurora. Automatic na yan siya. Pag nalagay mo dito yan,
Stabilizers engaged.
automatic. Pwede nyo number yan. O pwede nyo gawin mga ano.
Our will is strong.
Yan, strong daw.
Yes. Attacking.
Unit
Bakit?
lost.
Kick up some dirt.
Diba? O, bakit? Dito yung Aurora. Dito yung Aurora. Yan, ito yung... Yan. Yan Aurora natin o.
Online.
Pag tinamaan din sa isa. Diba? So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Ito yung mga soldier.
Let's kick up some dirt.
Gusto nyo kunin yung soldier nito. O, meron tayo dito. O, madali lang yan o. Ganyan to o.
Army's elite.
I am going.
Yan, going. Punta tayo. Kuyo naman, lagyan dito. O, yung strategy lang yan. Ito naman, dami na dito.
Four on the
Kuyo
floor.
naman, dito
Don't
naman.
push me.
Sniper here.
Unahin natin sila. Baka meron mga...
Better view.
Yan, satellite natin dito. Yun.
Guarding the GLA
Yan, punta natin. Oh, over there na.
Warning, sneak attack detected.
Yes, yes.
Sneak attack detected daw dito. Aurora lang yan.
Base is being attacked, sir. They built a tunnel network
Okay.
inside our base without us knowing it.
Iyan natin ito. Tinan nyo sa Aurora. Boom. Oh, yan. Kulang pa. Hoy, nandoon. Kulang pa.
New construction. On the go.
Huwag doon. Kanyan eh.
Need a point, man.
Ito talaga to si Michael. Teka, kung
Unit
nila naglaro.
lost.
Oo, laro nyo
Made
ulit.
in the US of A. Special forces here.
Gamitin natin ito ng
Arming
flashbang.
Our base is being attacked.
From flashbang dito, gagamitin natin yan.
Light tank of the
Yan, dito naman
GLA.
pupunta natin
I
yan.
will do this. No lack of
Yan.
courage.
No lag of courage. Ito naman, punta natin dito.
Unit lost.
Natak na tayo, wala na may magawa dito. Nakukong. ito mga
Ready for
troopers oh.
action.
Pwede
Search and
for action.
destroy.
Pwede nyo ito
On the go.
pindot dito isa.
Army's elite.
Sa building naman. Yan oh.
Anybody
Yan.
home?
Anybody home?
Get on my bad side.
Yan. Isang Q lang yan. Lahat na yan.
Scorpion
Yun
tank.
lang yan. Lahat na.
As your request.
Hmm.
Special forces here.
Yan sinasabi ko Q. Yan.
Exterminator has
Alis muna kayo dyan. Wala.
Four on the floor.
Atras muna kayo. Atras.
Yes, yes. Need
Ito lang yung ginagamit ko yan. Oh.
Arming flashbang.
Wala na, mabilis pala. Aurora naman, kung gusto nyo Aurora.
On to the next thing.
Hmm.
Always
Bigyan
prepared.
nyo
Taking
example.
position.
Ito, flashbang
Grabbing a
grenade.
flashbang.
Paglagay nyo dito sa bahay, tubo, kahit munti.
Clean and out.
Ito lang, clean and out. Tapos
Unit
yung Aurora
lost.
dito. Yan,
Army's
yun.
elite. Anybody home?
Ay, dali dito. Yan, wala na agad.
Heading out.
Bilis na
Ready
naman
for
doon.
action.
Ito naman, sa kabila. Ito naman sa kabila.
Clean and out.
Hindi sa akin. Need protection daw. Na. Yan o. Boom!
Ready for
Yan,
action.
galing o.
On the go.
Meron pa doon o.
Army's elite.
Meron pa dito o.
Exterminator has arrived. Taking your position. Rally point
Wala na
confirmed.
yun. Meron pa doon o. Saan na lang yan o.
Need a point, man.
Appointment
Clean it
daw.
out.
Yan. Di wow na. Ayan,
Army's
marami pala o.
Exterminator
Flash.
has arrived. Need a point,
Pwede nyo
man.
kunin to kung gusto nyo. For fun lang.
Ready for action.
Ayan.
Need a point,
Yan.
man. Anybody
Tirayin nyo
home?
muna to. Anybody home? Diba?
Special forces here. Entering the
Yan,
structure.
kunin nyo. Diba? Wala na. O, di wow. So, pupunta na nyo na doon.
I do not
Ano,
have patience
eh.
for this.
So, kunin nyo yung Aurora ulit. Standby. So, W ang
Breaking
pindot nyo.
resound barrier.
Pwede nyo isa-isa yung number nyan.
Roger that.
Lahat na ka-upgrade na.
We have their building.
Pag na-upgrade na yung 5-star general nyo, pwede nyo
Unit
upgrade ito
lost.
si Moab. Mother of all Moab. So, dito na
No lack
tayo.
of courage. As you request.
So, gamitin natin muna yung ano natin, laser. Yan. Particle from here.
Particle cannon
Particle
activated.
cannon. There to here. O, di wow. Ang ganda. Ready. Gamitin natin yung scat natin.
Unit
Number
lost.
4. Ito, number 4. Number
Scud
4
storm
yan.
launched.
Number 5. Gamitin natin dito number 5. Yan. Tapos number 6. Gamitin natin 6. Oh, di ba? Lahat ginamit natin. Kasi yung purpose natin ito. Hindi ito yung purpose natin. Sa kabila pa. Tingnan natin muna. Oh, bang, boom. Oh, di harvest. O, di pwede punta pa dito. Oh. Yan. Diba? Harvest lahat. Isa pa dyan. Para for fun lang. Para troopers. Yan. Pantayin agad. Yun ang air. Pwede nyo transfer din sa kabila. For fun. Yan. Security area. Ngayon, kung pipindot nyo double,
Unit lost.
kung nyo double Q kayo, lahat yan pupunta
We are
dito.
going.
Yan,
Ready for
ipasok nyo
action.
dyan. Kasi nakatoxic pa yan.
Get on my bad side.
Kung double Q, pupunta kayo nyo. Yan.
It's still run.
Aurora, double. Nandun lahat, di ba? Pati Aurora. Si Mama, yan. Pwede yung Aurora dito. Unahin niya dito sa palace nila.
Intel says that the missile sites we are looking for
Ulit,
are in this
ulit, kasi
region. Use caution and make sure those
command
toxins
center
aren't
nila.
released.
Target
Yan,
confirmed.
Diba, madali lang sa Aurora.
High-speed bomber ready for takeoff.
Diba yung baggy? Dami yung baggy dyan, oh. Die. Yan.
Unit lost.
Huwag mo na. Marami pang ano, toxic pa. May toxic pa. Alis ka muna dyan. Nakita nyo to, toxic hanggang matapos yan.
No lack of courage.
O, yung una natin dito. Ayan, sa side na lang natin. Yan.
Don't want any trouble.
Okay, have fun. Yan, in house. Wala na yun. Anybody home? So, yan, double-click yan. Punta nyo doon lahat dito. So, kung click nyo isa, tapos X nyo, separate yan sila. Diba? Para makaline naman. Unahin natin yung
General, the enemy has
baggy.
detected our presence in their main base and have begun
Yeah.
launch preparations for the toxin missiles.
Para maganda
They
naman
should
yung
have launch
laban.
capability in approximately 30 minutes. Intel has located and
pushing the
revealed the
envelope.
4
Aurora
missile
natin
sites
to.
on your radar screen.
Target confirmed.
Daming Aurora yun ah.
Scorpion
Yan, dito natin.
Yes,
Unahin
I
natin yan.
understand.
Pag double click nyo, lahat yan pupunta dito. Target nila ito. May isa pang Scorpion to. Double click nyo yung Q.
Don't want any trouble
Tapos
here.
R. Mouse sa right side. Yan. Target natin dito sa lahat. Oo.
Loading.
Oo, meron pa.
Unit lost.
Fuck, meron pa. Ayaw pa yung foil. Dito na ako. Yan. Sila doon. Oh. Dito. Diba? Ang ganda. Aurora. Pwede natin.
Take us out.
Yan.
Take what you need.
You run.
Yan. Lahat na yan. Yan. Oh. Abante. Abante. Pwede nyo to. Ito naman ang guard. So lahat yan. Yan.
Radar will take us out.
Yan. Aurora. Yun o. 3-star yan.
Scorpion.
Unit
Anybody
lost.
home? Yan. Yan. Bilis na yan o.
Particle cannon ready.
Yan.
You run. No lack of courage. Very well.
So ito, dalawa i-capture natin yan.
Yes, I
Oh,
understand.
pero meron yan dito. Meron yan.
Put your arms in the air.
Yan. Kaya natin yung soldier nila yan, warrior nila dyan.
Right there.
3-star yan. Wala na.
Put your
Unit
arms in
lost.
the air.
Diba? Oo, diba? Galing. So,
Special
pwede nyo
forces
na yan.
force confirmed.
Kunin nyo na to.
Meet your new owner.
Meet your new
Always
owner.
prepared.
Always prepared.
Taking charge.
What's the mission, sir? Yan, salamat po mga kapatid, nanonood kayo dito. So ito yung kampo natin, hindi nyo naman ang base natin, pera-pera lang ito. So kung marami kang ang technique dyan, maraming itong pera sa mission nyo, wala kayong problema sa money. So ito yung upgrade lahat, wala pa yung natin mga upgrade. So yun ang mission po natin, dalawa lang. So, tapos na to, okay na.
Good job,
Tapos
sir.
na ang
The
mission
third
natin.
missile
Good
silo
job!
has been
Salamat po sa
captured.
suporta.
Great work,
Don't forget to
General. We now have
subscribe po
control
kung
of all
nagustuhan nyo.
4
Comment
toxin
below.
missile silos.
Anong
The
gusto nyo
operation
pang
is a
mission
success.
sa 0
Now that
hours.
Dr. Thrax is defeated, we can finally bring our boys home.
Alright,
Good
this is
work,
the end of the
General.
mission of the USA 5. So, ida-download na to mamaya. Salamat po! So, itong ginagawa ko to para tulong sa mga mamahirap dyan sa
Dr.
Pilipinas
Thrax
natin.
and his arsenal of
Ito po,
toxic
si Mike
missiles
B!
have been destroyed.
0
The
hours!
cause he served,
Pakinggan
the
namin.
Global Liberation Army, has once more been run to ground. Weapons of mass destruction, like those launched from Baikonur, no longer threaten the free world. By land, sea, and air, American troops head home, battle-weary.
Yehey! Mabuhay! Pinoy!
And as the smoke
Balot kayo
clears,
lahat dyan!
perhaps we are a step closer to
Diyan na yan.
lasting.
You are victorious! Yan, end campaign po. Salamat po! Yan.